services do they offer?
Omushomo gubira har ankore resort kandi gwetabirwamo abakugomba by'obushubuzi n'abebembezi.
Not the betting thing. Yes. You must do business risk where you can control.
You have a smartphone, you have a WhatsApp group. I imagine most of you have OGs and all this. That is what we call social capital.
We are into a digital era. The digital era, social media marketing. It is a keynote that once taken seriously, you can't go wrong with any business.
Ahabwe kigendererwa cha World Concept vehireyo kushomesa imyetsa hankore yibesere tomorrow's business kandi abarukure bitongore hamwe n'abebembezi hino habuzo bahireyo.
Start small and grow big. But that we had a business maybe like a very big shop. Most of the businesses that we've seen start small and grow big with time.
Whether you are running a shop, whether you are running a supermarket, whether you are running a hotel, whatever you are running, the customers will run away because of lack of experience, because of lack of exposure of the people that are at the forefront of your business.
You can save money by the way from your parents. Saving by reducing unnecessary expenditure, and that one becomes what a saving because you are not going to use it.
Gasha kwa Sheikh Abdulatif.
Wewe Sheikh Abdulatif from Science na Technology.